Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got unlimited coins for Pocket FM absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called zaptweak.com, then type in search Pocket FM and you will find the online tool and just click install now, guys. So let's wait for this installing. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. I test this many times and it works perfectly. So just follow step by step and you will get your free coins. So let's wait and let's see the next step. Okay, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 questionnaire. It's your choice. Just clicking on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded to complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. We're still redirecting. So if you have this message, guys, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see. Verification complete. Nice, thank you. So the next step, check your home screen. Okay, so let me check, guys. As you can see, I download TikTok and I download Travel Town and I get this Pocket FM++. Just open and enjoy in your free coins and watch what you want. So that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.